Hey peeps, what's up? Manchi here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Magic Eraser on your Google Pixel 6a. So the first thing you need to do is open the Photos application. Once you are in the Photos app, you need to go to the picture wherein you want to use Magic Eraser. So let us say this is the picture which we want to magically erase. Once you select the picture, select the option of edit on the bottom. Then you need to go into the tools section, and herein you will see magic eraser. Now you saw it said finding suggestions. If it finds suggestions, then it will let you know about those suggestions automatically, and you just have to tap to erase. In our case, it did not find any suggestions, so we have to do it manually. Now for starters, if you want to zoom in, you can use your two fingers to zoom in and zoom out of the picture, and similarly you can use two fingers to move it around as well. So whatever object you want to erase, you need to either encircle it or draw on it. So let us encircle this USB dongle. Bam, there it is. It has been magically erased. Similarly, if I want to remove this USB drive over here, I can also draw on top of it instead of encircling it, and that is also going to achieve the same result. You do have the option of undo and redo at the bottom. Now this here we are in erase mode. In case you want the object to blend in with the background, then you can go into camouflage mode, and once we are here, the same things apply. You can use your two fingers to pinch in, zoom out, and also to move it. Then if I encircle the object, it is going to camouflage that specific object. Similarly, I can also draw, and now the USB drive is a brownish shade. It is blending in with the background and not standing out. The same applies for our USB dongle as well. Once you're satisfied, happy with the results, select done on the bottom right and then say save a copy, and bam, there it is. A copy has been saved. And if I go back, here is the original image, and here is the image wherein we have used magic eraser to camouflage two objects. And there it is, peeps. That is how you use magic eraser on your Google Pixel 6a.